What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. And today's video is gonna be a live trade video. To be honest, I'm already in the trade due to the fact that this candle is so crazy. I did not really have that much time to make the analysis, but I still want to do it for you. Yeah, it's very simple concept. Yeah, how I say it, we had a push, pull back, and push. Yeah. This is obviously a uptrend move, yeah? And obviously, what do we have here? We do have here below the EMAs, which this is the most common thing, yeah? People will start take buys. The reason why is very simple. Basically, we got push, pullback, and push. Right now, people will gonna wait for the pullback, and we're gonna take buys, yeah? Me personally, how do you know already? I like more to take against all the traders, which they are here. Here we do have the supply and demand traders, yeah? Here we do have the ICT. Here, I would say, yeah, here and here we do have the ICT traders, yeah? And plus here also we do have the, how is it called, the supply and demand. Here we do have the break and retest traders, who are gonna wait beautifully, or something like that, yeah, with the fibs, with the 71%, break and retests, imbalance, like everything it matches properly, yeah. Usually when it's that good, to me it looks like too good to be true, you know. So what I'm doing from here, I literally from here I took a sell, I put my stop loss right here, and I'm gonna target in this low. The reason why is very simple, because most of the time the price action can come here, take this low, yeah, make people think we're going into the downtrend and then move back up. That is what price action does most of the time. I won't say this is gonna be 100% winner, but we are not here to speculate like what is gonna be. We're here to expect like what's gonna happen and what I'm gonna anticipate. Yeah, it's very simple. This candle was so huge that I entered a trade on the break of this low, and I'm targeting this basically this low, which would be very awesome if this price action will gonna hit our TP, and you know, it won't be, it's gonna be nice, to be honest. Right now I do sitting here like on profit, so I do really hope like to get this winner and to move on for the next day. But as usual, guys, just stay tuned for the updates, because you know I do really have my job also at the same time, so I try to trade, do a video for you guys, and at the same time, in the meantime, I do work. So I do really hope, guys, you appreciate all my work, and if you can just hit the subscribe or even the like button, and that's gonna be more than enough for me. But for now, guys, you can enjoy the video, and yeah, I will come back with any moves and stuff like that, because right now I assuming the price action will gonna pull back. The reason why, here is the support, yeah, or resistance, and obviously it's gonna pull back a little bit only, so we're gonna make people to enter the trade, yeah. I mean, that's what most of the time it happens, yeah. When I entering a trade, it must be a pullback. It's very simple and common. Why? Because if everybody enters here, yeah, most likely the price action will gonna start moving up a little bit, maybe even here, and we're gonna retest this structure and we're gonna move to the downside. It can happen like that, I don't know, but for now the only thing what we can do is just to anticipate, stay calm, and follow our plan. I do really hope, guys, you're enjoying, and hope you can become profitable in 2025, obviously. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm seeing this price action. Kind of, how I said, it's gonna pull back a little bit, and it kind of made the same thing who I said is right here. You see, is push, pull back, push, and this price action we're gonna move to the downside. That's my plan. Here is the same thing, but it's just in the 1 minute. Is push, pull back, push, and right now there is a chance that the price action we're gonna move down to take this low, or maybe even get to our TP area. So we will see how the price action we're gonna end up. But for now, guys, just wanted to update you that we are sitting in drawdown. Let me just show you. You see, and we kind of retesting this zone. We do have this zone also. But anyway, if just in case it's gonna stop me out, I'm gonna enter here one more trade. I'm gonna put the stop loss above here, and I'm gonna target the same low. So we'll see how this price action will develop. I'm not sure how it's gonna happen, but I'm seeing here like crazy movement right now. And don't forget, here is how is it called? Is a flat numbers, is a round number, so it's 1.04 flat, and here is like very key zone. So for me right now, it could just basically pop up like that, then to move down, maybe even gonna stop me out. I'm not sure. That's the thing, because you know, people always thinking like, you know, it's easy, trading it's easy, and you have to do this and that, and everything was gonna be Gucci. But guys, the trading is nothing even close what those guru traders telling you like all the time. They giving you dreams, they selling you dreams, they selling you like some sort of strategy that is gonna make you to become rich like in 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. But it's nothing like that. The trading is not like that. I'm gonna be honest with you. If you're planning to be a consistent trader, then be aware of a lot of losing streaks, of a lot of winning streaks, a lot of headaches, a lot of trades that it might won't work all the time. But the thing with the trading is you have to be strict with your rules, you have to be patient, and you should know just the trade that you're taking every single day, it won't be the winners. As long in the long run you're gonna make more than you lose, then you will consider yourself as a profitable trader. So we'll see, guys. We'll see. It's very interesting how this trade will gonna play out. Me personally, I just like the process. I just love it. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. So basically, how I was thinking, the price action kind of came back to retest this zone. Right now is pulling back, same thing, bigger picture, but we just have here right now the smaller picture. Right now I'm expecting the price action to come down here to take this low, this low, maybe even this low. And obviously the best case scenario would be to take this low, so we can, you know, get this profitable trade done and we good. Oops. But at the same time, we will see how the price action will develop, because it's kind of late already, so who knows. It's already 10 a.m. Eastern time. This is Central time, so it's 10:34 Eastern time. Most likely shortly price action will gonna start slowing down. But I do really hope the price action will eventually go and hit our target. But as usual, stay tuned. It's just crazy. Look at this price action, how it's just ranging. You see? And right now it's just changing. But as usual, just say and forget, guys. There's nothing what we can do about it. This price action can take longer than we're thinking, so it's nothing too crazy. We just have to wait and see how this price action will eventually either hit, because it can do one or two things: either hit our stop loss, either can hit our TP. So I do hope you're enjoying, and in the meantime, while you're watching me trading, you could just like this video if you like it. So yeah, guys, talk to you shortly. We go here like today, a boring day to be honest. The price action is right here, and you know the thing is, because it kind of makes like higher highs and lower highs, so I don't know why, but this kind of price action shows me that the most likely the price action eventually will gonna hit my stop loss. That's only my experience, but anyway, if just in case the price action will stop me out, I still gonna enter a trade around here and we'll go from there. Stay tuned. Guys, this is a perfect example how I can show you guys. Look at this, you see, I'm still managing this trade. Yeah, we had a break even, then a bit of profit, then drawdown, then break even. Yeah, then again a little bit of profit, then drawdown, even deeper drawdown, and now we are back to break even. You know what is it called? This is called the trade and trading manipulation. This where trading show you like the reality of trading, because if you guys can hold all of that, then you guys might gonna end up be an unprofitable trader for very long time. You see here, like I'm still in a drawdown right now. I'm at the break-even area, even in a bit of profit. Yeah, but that's the thing, I could literally right now just close the position and be done for the day and the break even, but that's the thing, I'm gonna still hold this trade because, you know, otherwise we won't make it. Yeah, we could, you know, close. Maybe I'm gonna close this partially, like right here. Maybe I'm gonna close it right here, but I'm not sure yet. For now, I enter a trade and just to get out of the trade, you know, at the break even, that it won't make me profitable or a loser trader. I rather see the results. Either I was right, either I was wrong, and I'm gonna wait for one or two, either to hit my stop loss, either to hit my take profit. So yeah guys, that's the thing, and we will see the result shortly. Stay tuned. The price actually keeps sitting at the break-even stage, so we will see tomorrow. I won't take another trade on this setup only because it's been taking too long. So we will see tomorrow. I'm gonna make an update how this played out. Either it's gonna stop me out, either it's gonna hit my TP. We will see tomorrow. But for now guys, hope you enjoyed this video. And to understand how long is already been going this trade, let's see. I enter here, and this already, I'm sitting here 9 hours. I'm sitting in this trade, and most of the time I've been sitting on drawdown. So this is a psychology trick. You should stay focused, and just to make sure not every trade is gonna be a fast and profitable trade. So we will see. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video guys. So I'm back with the update. Unfortunately, I'm gonna be real with you, this has been a loser trade. Yeah, it's been sitting here and consolidating, and just in the morning it hit my stop loss and it's been an L. That's how trading is. That's why I was gonna tell you all the time, this is how trading is, and you never can predict and you never know where the price is gonna go. Only thing what we can do, just stay disciplined and make sure we're getting the right trades. If you enjoyed this video guys, feel free to like, comment, and see you on my next one. Peace and love. I'm out.